A capias is essentially a civil arrest warrant. It's a writ issued by the court which directs law enforcement to take a person into custody and bring them to the court for a civil matter. So what will often happen is there will be a lawsuit, a creditor will take a debtor to court. Now sometimes the debtor will appear and there will be a contested lawsuit, but in the vast majority of cases, the debtor just ignores everything, ignores the past due notices and all the threats that the creditor makes, and then ignores the court summonses as well and ultimately defaults. So regardless of how the creditor gets the judgment in his or her favor, the next step for the creditor is to file for what's called supplementary process. And these are legal proceedings to determine what the debtor can pay. In other words, what the debtor has for assets, for income, things like this. Now, if the debtor does not appear at the supplementary process hearings, at that point, the court will issue a capias for the person's arrest, and if law enforcement runs into this person, they will take them into custody and bring them to the court, handcuffed and shackled in many cases. Right? So you need to be aware, you can only ignore legal proceedings for so long, civil proceedings for so long, but ultimately the court will issue a writ for your arrest, and you'll be brought to the court and forced to participate in the proceedings.